This is death from the sky, decapitating birds in mid-flight. In reality, it is the Peregrine Falcon, the fastest bird in the world, using the stoop technique to hunt. First, it ascends to great heights in the sky and then dives towards its prey. During this descent, its speed reaches up to 390 kilometers per hour. And with this speed, it attacks its prey and turns it into its lunch. This attack technique, similar to a car, is so deadly that the prey only realizes it is being attacked but never knows from which direction the attack is coming.